Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we are taking a closer look at SPY. Our initial report was published on Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has ranked SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.63. Let's take a closer look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 2.37%. This equates to an average return of 0.22% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a weak upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth within this trend is anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 7.17% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.5% to 9.38%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 26.46% over the next year, with a potential return between 18.90% and 28.91%. This corresponds to a price range of approximately $701.88 to $760.97 after a year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.362% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, rising from $588.18 to $590.31. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.20%, with a day low of $584.03 and a day high of $591.05. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.37% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, the volume on the last day increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 39 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $23.25 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $600.17, while the lowest price was $451.96. Currently, the price is 1.64%, or $9.86, below the 52-week high of $600.17, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent forecasts from Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley predict that the S&P 500 could reach 6,500 by the end of 2025, representing a potential 10% increase from current levels. This optimistic outlook is primarily driven by expectations of robust economic growth and rising corporate earnings. The forecast suggests a broader stock market rally beyond just the major technology players, indicating increased optimism across various sectors. On a tactical level, the S&P 500 exchange-traded fund, SPY, may experience significant capital inflows as investors respond to these positive projections. With U.S. equity exchange-traded funds attracting a remarkable $45 billion last week, trends indicate that investor sentiment is shifting favorably toward equities, particularly those indexed to the S&P 500. In the short term, enthusiasm for these projections could support SPY's performance as traders look to capitalize on anticipated price gains. Over the longer term, sustained growth in the index may enhance SPY's appeal as a core investment, especially as investors seek higher dividends and reduced volatility amidst ongoing economic uncertainties. Overall, expectations of healthy corporate earnings and a more diversified market rally could keep SPY on an upward trajectory, benefiting both short-term traders and long-term investors alike. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The SPY ETF currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the ETF, presenting a positive outlook. If the ETF experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $592.90. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $581.82. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is seen as a favorable technical indicator. Nonetheless, some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the near-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 11th, 2024, and so far it has decreased by 1.40%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a sell signal 5 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 12 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average presented a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 248 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $570.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Generally, this exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $7.01 between its high and low points, which represents 1.2%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 0.92%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $591.05. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $570.98. If this support level is maintained, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $565.32, which represents a decrease of 4.23%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that this could be an opportune moment to buy. We believe there is a promising chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near term. As a result, we have upgraded our assessment of this ETF from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is considered overvalued. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, November 20th, we anticipate that the SPY will open lower, approximately $1.85 down, starting at $588.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.